YouTube family. What's going on with y'all, man? Welcome back. Glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy. Man, look, it's been a long time coming, man. We are finally officially getting a release on the Nike Air Max 1 Travis Scott's, man. This shoe is set to release this upcoming Friday. I think the retail price is $150. Not bad, not bad. I just wish I would have waited on these because I still do have a dead stock pair. Although my pair is laced up, you know what I'm saying? I still do have a dead stock pair. And I paid well over that 150 mark, man. But look, if this is your first time stopping through, man, rocking out with the fam, make sure y'all stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button, get this video a like, man, and do all that good stuff for your boy because we got bangers on the way, man. Trust me. But yes, other than that, man, you know we gotta pay some bills, man. I gotta give a big shout out to OUTRANK brand. They sent your boy over a package, which I will be diving into here shortly in the video. So hey, don't, you know what I'm saying? Click off, don't fast forward because it's gonna be a lot of dope things that y'all about to see. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick look at the Air Maxes so I don't star y'all out. Then we're gonna go into the unboxings and then we're gonna come right back to the Air Maxes, man. So let's check out these Air Maxes. Bang! Here they go. The Nike Air Max 1 Travis Scott's, man. This is a lace swap, but the laces that you do see them with right here does come with the shoe, man. So it does come with a set of brown laces that is like attached to the shoe, and it does come with originally laced the red laces, which gives it a nice pop, man. So those are the two lace choices that this shoe will come with. Like I said, I just want to give y'all a quick first look at them. We got to dive into these sponsors, you know what I'm saying, and then we will be right back to these joints, man. Yes sir, yes sir. Bang! If you are traveling anywhere, man, no matter if you just going down the street, man, you need a daily book bag, you need a 2-3 day book bag, you need a week bag, they got you covered, man. Head over to Soul Premise. You see the branding right there. Grab you a Soul Premise bag today. This is every sneakerhead's dream, man. I'm telling you. This bag right here, the Luciano leather bag, holds 6 pairs of shoes. If you're a size 9 like myself, if you are 10, 11 and up, you could probably squeeze 5 in here. Got storage space on the bottom for shoes. Show y'all real quick, man. Storage space right here on the bottom. You can stick you a pair of shoes in there. You can stick you some accessories in here. Laptop, clothes, all that good stuff. And like I did say, 6 to 5 pairs of shoes inside this bag. You can put a pair right here. You can put a pair right here. You can put some accessory, like, man, trust me. If you are a sneakerhead or if you just want a luxury bag, an everyday bag or anything, head over to Soul Premise, man. There is a promo code that will save you around 40% off of one of these bags down below in the description. Click that, or at checkout, use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy and it will save you big, man. So make sure you grab your Soul Premise bag today. Other than that, man, let's see what OUTRANK that sent your boy. Appreciate y'all, man. Hey, more to come, more to come. Bang, man. So hey, here we go. I do have a package from OUTRANK brand. They do got their branding on the box. They wrote it on there, but shout out to them, man. They sent your boy over a package. Get my knife right here real quick and pop this open and see what they sent your boy, man. We good though, you feel me? All right, so opening up the box, man. Let me step back a little bit. Oh man, they sent me quite a few things, man. So first of all, top of the box right here, I do see they sent your boy over a couple hats, man. A couple trucker style hats. Dopeness, man. You see what they got right there? Money on equals mind. Yes, money on my mind, man. So they did send your boy over this hat. Set that right there set that back here for a second. Sent your boy over the OUTRANK. This is like a peach colored hat right here, man. This is dope. Dope. Peach with a yellow branch on that tree. Dopeness. So right there on that trucker. What else did they send me? Oh, this is dope. You know I'm a red, black, and white fan. OUTRANK, and what does that say? No risk, no reward, man. You already know what that means, man. No risk, no reward. That's the game of life. But dope trucker hats right here they sent your boy. What else did they send me? Sent me over, oh man. Sent me over a couple tees, man. Pop these open real quick and see what tee this is. Sent me over a Success is the best revenge tee right here, as you can see. So red with that green and that silver, dope. This actually look like it goes with the those fives, man, the Bel Air fives. That red, that green, silver, definitely can go with those fives. So Success is the best revenge tee from Outranked. What else did they send your boy? Sent me over this tee right here, which is the No Holding Back tee, man. No Holding Back tee. Dope. Does have that hit of red on it right there. As you can see, no holding back. Dope, dope. I could throw these on with, man, I could throw them on with these right here. Heritage Jordan 1s. You know, the Heritage is an all over white shoe. So you could throw some black in there. Boom, just like that. I can't hold them both up, but I'll probably show y'all some B-roll, but definitely can rock both of them just like that. Very, very dope in my opinion. So I can rock those two together. Yes, sir, yes, sir. This is actually fire. I like this. All over sale tee, Outranked, original trademark 2010. Only direction is up tee, man. Dope. So I like that right there. Only direction is up. Dope, dope, dope. Tee that they sent your boy. What else we got? What else we got in here? We do have a self-made tee right here. Self-made tee. As you can see with that eagle on there, it says self-made. That can go perfectly with the Air Jordan 4 black militaries that recently released, man. So that is a perfect match for those, as you can see. So definitely a dope tee in my opinion. Moving on from that, they sent your boy over another tee that will, you know, I'm gonna have to probably throw this on. This gonna have to go perfect with the Heritage ones. I know I mentioned the Heritages earlier, but this gonna be the one for the Heritages right here. I can already see it. But it does say Money Flies. Outranked brand established 2010. So dopeness, man. So let me see if I can get y'all a better look with them with this right here. Whoo, what we looking like, man? What is we looking like? Heritage ones releasing this week as well. Reviewing on feet for this one will be coming soon. And you gonna see your boy rocking this tee right here, man. I got to. You gonna see me in this tee right here. Definitely a dope tee. Shout out to Outranked. They sent me over this tee. Heritage ones all day, all day. So sent me over that tee. What else I got in here? One last tee. This is, what tee is this? This is a Outranked making money fast tee, a rabbit tee. As you can see right there, dopeness. And I already got something in mind for this. So, hey, you see them right there, man, releasing this week as well. Those Air Jordan 5 Easters. So, yes, we got Easters releasing in May, man. So, this shirt will definitely go with those Easter 5s. So, I might gotta bring them out, man, and do a little swapping if you know what I mean. So, yes, sir, man, definitely big shout out to Outranked for sending your boy over that package, man. I definitely look forward to doing some more business with them, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Who knows? It might be some stuff coming, man. So stay tuned for that, man. Big shout out to them again, man. Let's get right back to these Air Max and give y'all a quick overview of my first thoughts on them. Bang! Here they go again, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So releasing this upcoming Friday alongside another colorway. They do have that colorway right there that is releasing alongside these. In my opinion, I personally like these better than those. That is the reason why I went after this pair, but I wouldn't mind getting the other pair. If I could definitely get it for retail, bro, you already know they're in the collection, man. But resale, I don't know. And speaking of resale, the prices of these have dropped tremendously. Like, from what they were going for around the time that I got these, they're like $1,000 under that, man. So patience is key always in the sneaker game, man. You gotta remember that. I need to teach myself that lesson a little bit more, but patience is key in the sneaker game. These joints, like I said, is just a different type of Air Max. Travis Scott always has a dope spin on the things that he does. But yeah, man, definitely a shoe that in my opinion is a banger. Very different. I mentioned it in my unboxing video. It's so different that it's just fire, man. So yeah, man, the Air Max ones, they are releasing this upcoming Friday. $150 is the retail price. Which colorway are y'all going after? When I did go to my recent sneaker event and what was it, Just Nice Sneaker Convention, I seen both of them. I seen both pairs, and it was a hands down landslide for me. I'm picking these all day over the other pair. Y'all let me know which pair y'all are going with. Let me know, are y'all going after these? Are they for the toe? Are they for flip? Y'all let me know, man. But gotta say RIP again to everybody who was affected in the Astro World Festival stuff, man. I mean, you know, they say time heals everything, but try to say that to the victims' families, man. You know, that's just a tough situation. When you have stuff like this releasing, it kind of like it opens up the wound all over again, man. But on a positive note, man, I hope everybody, you know, just handles it well and move past it, because, you know, at the end of the day, life does go on. But like I said, I just hate the situation that happened. But other than that, man, yeah, these Travis Scott joints, I will throw them on feet for y'all, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have it out before they release, so a lot of movies are coming this week. I do see myself probably having a day where I'm do 2 videos in one day, just because it's so much releasing this week, man. We got the Jordan 1, Heritage is releasing, the Easter 5s, Green Bean 5s. We got these releasing. I still gotta hit y'all with the reviewing on feet to the Military Black 4, so it's a lot coming, man. So make sure that y'all tap in, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And other than that, man, we checking out with the Air Max 1 Travis Scott's. Both laces right there, man. What's y'all thoughts? But hey, we gone till the next time. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.
Bobby, Bronco, Lil B, Condo, get it, Pronto, Hater, Jondo, Hater, Jondo. Bitch, Lonzo, big, humongo.